Okay, so first things first, clear everything off the hob. It won't get too dirty, but what you'll find is, and you can see these are pretty filthy. You're meant to change these or clean these every 6 months or 3 months. I obviously haven't. But what you'll find is you've got this little lever. Push that down, slides away, and then that comes away. Okay, and that's the same on both sides. So if I just show you, same again. Pull that away. Might be a bit stiff. There you go. Pull that away. Slide that away. Turn it round so that it's face up. Okay, and what you're doing is with this, you're just wiping it with a cloth, wet cloth, cold, and then you can put it in the dishwasher and you can clean this through. Now it may slightly change in colour, but not to worry. And these, you know, you don't need to replace. So what I've found works really well, if you get these Clinell wipes, again, links at the bottom, these are the kind of universal wipes. What you can do is, if I just show you, you just literally just wipe it across. Try and clean as much of the grease off as you possibly can. And you'll see, look, that starts lifting all of that off. So if you start kind of going from top to bottom, this is the outer edge. Just try and wipe off as much as possible, then put it into the dishwasher and try and clean it through. Next thing is the carbon filter itself. And for this model, so this is the 2K4460. Some websites state that you can regenerate the charcoal. This one says that you have to replace it, so I'm going to be replacing it. Now, unfortunately, you can't easily, or from what I can see from websites, recycle these charcoal filters. Do look in your local area if there is any way that you can recycle these charcoal filters. Once they have gone past their point in which they can absorb all the charcoal fine elements in here, have absorbed everything, then they just need to be chucked out. You can regenerate them, you can try and put them in the oven, but these ones, it says that you shouldn't, and it's probably because it's made up of these plastic bits. And in order to take that out, all you've got is these twists. So you twist those, quarter of a turn, pull it down. If it's still stuck, just give it a little, there you go, that twist there, and then that slides away like that. Let me get a better picture, and then that just pulls away. There you go. And that is your charcoal filter, and what you've got is all that inside, fairly cheap. And that's it. So what you've now got, just to show you, you've basically got the extract going all the way out. So all the fine mesh filter and the charcoal filter's gone, and that's it. And then some of you might have this F sign on here. So what that's telling you is the amount of hours that have passed and the charcoal filter basically needs replacing. If you hold down on the number on this power button, hold down for 3 seconds, that F will go. Okay, so what you've basically told it is you've replaced the filter. Okay, so it just resets the timer again. Okay, that's it. Please do like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hope it helps.